Mamata Banerjee has been sworn in as the Chief Minister of West Bengal after massive win in the 2021 Assembly election. This win is her consecutive win as the head of a state. Third, Mamata Banerjee takes oath as the West Bengal CM for third consecutive times. West Bengal CM inaugurates the 26th Kolkata International Film Festival. West Bengal launches the massive Dora Sarkar outreach campaign. West Bengal launches the Pathsri Abhijan scheme for road repair. West Bengal government launches the self-scan app to scan documents. West Bengal government launches the Matri Asmriti scheme. Exit app launched by the West Bengal. About West Bengal, capital Kolkata, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Governor Jagdeep Dhankad, folk डांस कैथी गंभीरा ढाली जात्रा भौल और मारासिया नेशनल पार्क गोरुमारा नेशनल पार्क नेवरा नेशनल पार्क नेवरा वैली नेशनल पार्क सिंघालीला नेशनल पार्क स्टेट एनिमल फिशिंग कैट स्टेट ट्री चैटिम ट्री स्टेट फ्लावर नाइट फ्लावरिंग जैस्मिन When is the International No Diet Day celebrated? 6 May. International No Diet Day is observed on 6 May and its symbol is a light blue ribbon. 1st May International Labour Day or May Day or Maharashtra Day. 3rd May Press Freedom Day. 4th May Coal Miner Day, International Firefighters Day. 5th May International Day for the midwife or World Hand Hygiene Day. 6th May International No Diet Day. 7th May World Athletes Day, Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. 8th May World Red Cross Day or World Thalassemia Day. 11 May National Technology Day. 12 May International Nurse Day. 15 May International Day of Families. 17 May World Telecommunication Day, World Hypertension Day. 18 May World AIDS Vaccine Day, International Museum Day. 21st May National Anti-Terrorism Day. 22nd May International Day for Biological Diversity. 31st May Anti-Tobacco Day. 1st Sunday of May World Laughter Day. 1st Tuesday of May World Asthma Day. 2nd Sunday of May Mother's Day. 3rd Friday of May National Endangered Species. 3rd Friday of May National Endangered Species. 3rd Saturday of the May Armed Force Day. Last Monday of May National Memorial Day. The world's largest aircraft by American company Starto launch successfully completed the second test flight recently. What is the name given by the massive aircraft? Shireen. Cricket player Noan Joesha has been banned by ICC for 6 years from all forms of the game for violating ICC anti-corruption code. He played for which country? Sri Lanka. Thisara Pereira became the first Sri Lankan to hit 6 sixes in an over. Sri Lanka inks 3-year USD 1.5 billion currency swap deals with China. India legend beats Sri Lanka legend to win 2020 to 2021 Road Safety World Series T20. IAA participate in 17th anniversary celebrations of Sri Lanka Air Force. Sri Lanka fast bowler Dhamika Prasad quits international cricket. Sri Lanka to host Asia Cup in 2021 while Pakistan guest hosting right for 2022 edition. Sri Lanka inks third year $1.5 billion currency swap deal with China. India legend beat the Sri Lanka lead to win 2020 to 2021 Road Safety World Series T20. About Sri Lanka, capital is Sri Jordhanepuram Kotte. Currency Sri Lanka rupee. President Gotabaya Rajapaksa. The Reserve Bank of India has announced the restructuring of loan resolution frame 2.0 for individual borrowers and small businesses who did not take restructuring earlier, and the loan were extended as of March 2021. The outstanding loan of these borrowers must up to dash to avail the facility. 25 crore. RBI announced the term liquidity facility for the 50,000 crore for healthcare. RBI imposes the 3 crore penalty on ICICI Bank for violating the specific direction issued by RBI. T. Ravi Shankar appointed the fourth Deputy Governor of RBI, succeeding the BP Kanungo. RBI joins network for greening the financial system. RBI caps tenure of private banks MD and CEO at 15 years. RBI cancel license of the Bhagyodaya Friend Urban Cooperative Bank. RBI allows the commercial bank to pay up to 50% of a pre-COVID dividend. RBI approved the Atanu Chakravarti as HDFC Bank's part-time chairman. Reserve Bank of India to cancel license of Sambandh Financial. Former RBI Governor Madhavallu Narasimham passes away. RBI set up committee to review the working of ARCS. RBI approves the reappointment of Murli Natarajan as the DCB Bank MD and CEO. RBI to conduct open market purchase of government securities of 1 lakh crore under the GSAP 1.0 program. RBI decided to open up RTGS NEFT facility for the payment system operator. The founder of RBI is 1st April 1935. RBI nationalized in 1st January 1949. Headquarter Mumbai. First governor is Sir Osborne Smith. First Indian governor C.D. Deshmukh. 25th governor Shaktikant Das. RBI 4 डिप्टी गवर्नर मुकेश कुमार जैन, बीपी कानूंगो, और बीपी कानूंगो की जगह पे अभी बीपी कानूंगो की जगह पे अभी टी रविशंकर को अपॉइंट किया गया है, और एम राजेश्वर राव है, यानी कि 4 डिप्टी गवर्नर हैं अभी। मुकेश कुमार जैन, टी आर शंकर यानी कि टी रविशंकर, माइकल डी पात्रा और एम राजेश्वर राव। 4 सब्सिडरी ऑफ RBI is Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporate of India DICGC, भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक नोट मुद्रण प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, और रिजर्व बैंक और इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, इंडियन फाइनेंशियल टेक्नोलॉजी एंड अलाइड सर्विस। विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज अनाउंस्ड द गोपा बंधु संबंधिका स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना फॉर जर्नलिस्ट। उड़ीसा। चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ उड़ीसा नवीन पटनायक। उड़ीसा का कैपिटल भुवनेश्वर। उड़ीसा का गवर्नर गणेशी लाल। एयरपोर्ट उड़ीसा में है बीजू पटनायक इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, और झारसुगुड़ा एयरपोर्ट राउरकेला। Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of THDC India Limited? Bijay Goyal. Who is the author of the children's book The Bench? Meghan Markle. Name the former head of Malankara Mar Thomas Cyrene Church who passed away recently. Philippos More Chrysostom. Name the राष्ट्रीय लोकदल chief and former union minister who passed away recently. Manas Bihari Burma. Which of the following regulate the working and operation of non-banking financial company in India? Reserve Bank of India. As per the Fitch solution, what is the GDP growth rate estimate for India in 2021 to 2022? 9.5. Bangalore is placed at 40th position in the Prime Global Cities Index Q1 2021 report, which ranked global cities in terms of increasing in prime residential prices. The index is published by which entity? Knight Frank. Chandler Good Government Index 2020 was released by the Chandler Institute of Governance headquarters in Singapore. First ranks Finland, second Switzerland, third Singapore, fourth Netherlands, fifth Denmark, 49th India or 104 last Venezuela. SIPRI Military Expenditure Database published by the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute SIPRI. फर्स्ट नंबर पे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, सेकंड पे चाइना, थर्ड पे इंडिया, फोर्थ पे रशिया, फिफ्थ पे यूनाइटेड किंगडम. Global Energy Transition Index 2021. The report is published by the World Economic Forum, prepared in collaboration of Accenture. टॉप पे स्वीडन है, लास्ट पे जाम्बिया है और भारत का 87वां रैंक है. वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम की बात करें तो वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम इंडेक्स की बात करें तो रिपोर्टर्स विदाउट बॉर्डर के द्वारा रिलीज किया जाता है. फर्स्ट पे नॉर्वे, सेकंड पे फिनलैंड, थर्ड पे डेनमार्क, 177 पे चाइना है और भारत की बात करें तो 142वें पोजीशन पे है. हेनली पासपोर्ट इंडेक्स की बात करें तो फर्स्ट पे जापान है, सेकंड पे सिंगापुर, थर्ड पे जर्मनी और साउथ कोरिया, फोर्थ पे फिनलैंड, इटली, लग्जमबर्ग और स्पेन. भारत की बात करें तो भारत का रैंक 84 है और पाकिस्तान का रैंक 107 है. इंक्लूसिव इंटरनेट इंडेक्स 2021 की बात करें तो टॉप पे स्वीडन, इंडिया का 49वां रैंक है. जेंडर गैप इंडेक्स की बात करें तो टॉप पे आइसलैंड है, जो कि WEF के द्वारा जारी किया जाता है, वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम के द्वारा. टॉप पे आइसलैंड है और 140वां रैंक है भारत का जेंडर गैप में. सबसे नीचे अफगानिस्तान है. 2020 एकेडमिक रैंकिंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की बात करें, जो कि रिलीज़ किया जाता है संघाई रैंकिंग कंसल्टेंसी के द्वारा, तो फर्स्ट में है हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, सेकंड में स्टैनफोर्ड और थर्ड में है कैम्ब्रिज. रीजनल बेस्ड इंस्टीट्यूट रैंकिंग इंडेक्स की बात करें तो फर्स्ट पे है ICC बेंगलोर और 2 और 4 कैटेगरी पे है IIT मद्रास. फोर्ब्स एनुअल वर्ल्ड्स बिलियनरी लिस्ट की बात करें तो 35th एडिशन है ये. फर्स्ट पे जेफ बेजोस है और इंडिया का जो मुकेश अंबानी है वो 10वें रैंक पर है. इंटरनेशनल इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी इंडेक्स की बात करें तो 40वां भारत का है और टॉप पे USA है. When is the World Athlete Day 2021 being observed by the IAF? तो 5 मई को मनाया जाता है. अरोका ब्रिज is the world's longest pedestrian suspension bridge. It has been recently inaugurated in which country? तो पोर्चुगल. 5 Indian top oil and gas PSUs have inked a memorandum of understanding MOUs for construction and redevelopment of which pilgrim sites as spiritual smart hill towns. तो बद्रीनाथ. चौधरी अजीत सिंह, who has passed away recently, was founder of which political party? तो RLD राष्ट्रीय लोक दल. The first ever India-France-Australia trilateral foreign ministerial dialogue was held recently in which city? London, England. V. Kalyanam, the veteran freedom fighter who has passed away recently, was the only surviving personal secretary of which Indian leader? Mahatma Gandhi. Which city has topped as the Prime Global Cities Index Q1 to 2021, registering the strongest growth of the prime residential prices during January-March 2021? तो Shenzhen. Who among the following has sworn in as Chief Minister of Puducherry? N. Rangaswamy. M.K. Stalin has taken oath as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu set to create the state's 5th tiger reserve. Tamil Nadu beat Baroda to claim the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy T20 trophy. Tamil Nadu government launched a smart blackboard scheme. Tamil Nadu appointed the India's first ever woman ambulance driver. Tamil Nadu women top the list of Mudra loan scheme. Tamil Nadu capital Chennai, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, Governor Banwari Lal Purohit. Tamil Nadu state dance Bharatnatyam. मेयोन का बारा station in Rajasthan's Jodhpur has been renamed as Mahesh Nagar. Jaishankar has attended the G7 Foreign Ministers Summit. Which country is the hosting the 47th G Summit in 2021? United Kingdom. Who has been appointed as the director of ICAR, Indian Institute of Rice Research, Hyderabad? तो R.M. Sundaram. Where is the headquarters of the South Asian Association of Regional Corporation SAARC located? तो ये हो जाएगा नेपाल काठमांडू. मोइनुल हक स्टेडियम इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? तो बिहार पटना. इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया इज द मुरलिन नेशनल पार्क लोकेटेड? मिजोरम. Which with which production is the silver revolution related? Egg production. Bhojtal lake is situated in which part of India? Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of the country which has Scott John Morrison as its current prime minister? Canberra. Barauni thermal power station is located in which state of India? Bihar. The Lava dance is the traditional folk dance of Lakshadweep. In which state is the Chiruthoni Dam situated? Kerala. Kota is situated on the banks of which river? Chambal. Thank you.